Preposition 通常係譯做前置詞，又或者係介系詞，甚至簡單稱佢為介詞。佢通常係擺喺一個名詞前面，去表達呢個名詞同句子裡面其他字嘅關係。前置詞呢個譯名正好就提大家 preposition 係要有一個名詞跟喺尾嘅。雖然有時個名詞會因為句子結構而擺咗喺前面。而我所講嘅名詞係包括代名詞 pronoun、動名詞 gerund、名詞片語 noun phrase 同埋名詞子句 noun clause。喺英文字裡面呢，係有100幾個 preposition 嘅，而每一個 preposition 同唔同嘅名詞、形容詞、動詞擺埋一齊就有唔同嘅意思啦。所以好多學生都好驚 preposition， 而解決辦法呢，就只有多讀多寫先可以熟習佢哋嘅用法。就以我哋最常見嘅 in、on、at 為例，每個都有好多嘅用法。in 最常見嘅用法就係喺裡面咁解，就例如 in my pocket 係指喺我個袋裡面，但係喺床上呢，我哋唔會講 on bed， 而係 in bed。而 in alphabetical order 係指以字母次序排列 ，write in pencil 就係以鉛筆書寫。呢啲 in 都唔係喺裡面咁解，要留意 this river is rich in nutrition 係指呢條河裡面充滿養分，而唔係喺養分裡面咁解。on 最常見嘅用法係指喺上面，係掂住咁喺上面，而另一個 preposition above 嗰種喺上面呢，就係冇掂住咁喺上面嘅。例如 on the desk 係指喺書枱上面，但係 on drug 係指經常服藥，又或者係正在受藥物影響嘅狀態。on phone 係解講電話， on holiday 係放假。喺酒吧飲酒嘅時候聽到 on the house， 即係話酒吧請客，又或者係呢杯酒係免費嘅。The food is on me 係解我負擔食物嘅費用。on the run 即係逃跑走佬。以上呢幾個 on 都唔係喺上面咁解。at 最常見嘅用法係指喺嗰度，喺嗰陣，又或者喺嗰個年齡、嗰個價錢，又或者係嗰個速度。但係 at work 係解工作緊，又或者係運作中。Mad at Peter 係解好嬲 Peter。Laugh at Mary 係取笑 Mary。At the general's command 係受將軍所令。呢啲都係同喺嗰度、喺嗰陣、嗰個年齡、嗰個價錢，又或者係嗰個速度冇關係嘅。係一啲時間性嘅名詞，例如 yesterday、today、tonight、tomorrow， 又或者係一啲 determiner 限定詞，就例如 every、each、this、that、next、last、previous 前面呢，都唔會用 in、on、at 呢啲 prepositions 嘅，而且係多數都唔會用任何 prepositions 嘅。例如He arrives Hong Kong on today， 又或者 I go to church on every、each、this、that， 又或者 next Sunday 都唔啱嘅。但係有時呢，會視乎需要呢，會加其他嘅 preposition， 就好似 during the next 3 weeks。Finish by next Friday， 又或者係 before next Monday。相信大家都知道，朝頭早係 in the morning， 下午係 in the afternoon， 但晚上就會話 at night， 正午就係 at noon， 星期一就係 on Monday。而星期一朝早雖然係講朝早，但係都係講 on Monday morning。以下嘅 prepositions 都係可以用嚟講關於時間嘅。 Since 作為 preposition 嘅時候，好多時都係解自從，就例如自從昨天、自從10點鐘、自從1小時前。而 until 好多時都係解直到乜嘢為止，都係跟一個時間點嘅，就例如直到下星期一為止，直到9點為止，直到2日後為止。而 before 好多時都係解喺乜嘢之前，都係跟住一個時間點嘅，就例如下個月前、中午前、聽日前、日落前等等。for 呢個 preposition 係可以解為期幾耐，通常會跟住講係幾耐，就例如為期2日、為期1個鐘頭、為期3個月。而當佢作為幾耐呢個 phrase 直接跟喺個 main verb 主要動詞後面呢，個 preposition for 有時係可以略去嘅。喺 I waited for an hour to see him 呢個裏面呢，個 for 係可以略去嘅。但係喺 I waited for him for an hour 呢句呢，個 for 就唔可以略去啦。有啲人以為 here 同 there 前面係唔可以有 prepositions 嘅，其實可能係因為 here 同 there 作為 adverb 副詞嘅時候，可以解為 in this place、at this place， 又或者係 to this place， 又或者 in that place、at that place， 又或者係 to that place。既然意思裏面已經有個 preposition， 咁所以 here 同 there 前面就唔使再加 preposition 啦。其實 here 同 there 作為 pronoun 嘅時候，係可以用 in、out、up、down 等等嘅 preposition 喺前面。就例如 It is too hot in here， 呢度裏面太熱。in here 嘅 in 字係指出係喺裏面嗰度。由於澳洲係喺地圖嘅下面，所以我哋會話 Australia is a beautiful country, but it is boring down there。down there 係指出係喺下面嗰度。以前好多人都以為，既然 preposition 前置詞應該擺喺一個 noun 嘅前面，即係冇可能係一句句子最後一個字啦。而家大家都知道個 preposition 所帶出嘅 noun 有時候係可以擺喺個 preposition 前面嘅，就例如 He needs someone to talk to， 第二個 to 係 preposition 嘅 to， 佢帶出嘅 noun 呢就係 someone。而家好多人都會喺應該用 whom 嘅時候用埋 who， 但喺考試或者係寫公文嘅時候就最好避免啦。尤其係 preposition 之後就一定要用 whom 啦。例如 Who did you give the book to？ 因為大部分人都咁用嘅關係呢，就當佢啱啦。其實應該講 Whom did you give the book to 先至啱嘅。但如果有個 to 喺前面就唔同講法啦。如果我哋話 To who did you give the book 係錯嘅，我哋應該講 To whom did you give the book 先至啱嘅。